Hey, what's up, boss babes, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are unboxing and reviewing a cute short synthetic Afro loose kinky curly hairstyle. I'm in love with it. I hope you fall in love with it. So welcome to my channel where we are boss babes on a budget. Okay.
Hello. Welcome, please. Welcome. Remain seated.
So out of all the wigs that I've been reviewing, this by far is one of my favorite. She came in a cute, simple plastic bag that just says wig on it. Inside that bag, it came with a company card showing all of the other wigs they have available on their Amazon store, a net wig cap, and some flared lashes. They're not 3D or anything, just some simple thick lashes, which is always a plus. And then the wig. It came with a net on it to keep the curls together, and I'm so excited to try her on. I believe the price point was in the 20s. All the details for this wig will be in the description section. So let's go ahead and put her on. What's good? Oh, I'm sorry, I didn't even go underneath the cap. Underneath the cap, she has no combs at all in the front and no combs in the back. That's not a good sign. I love at least a comb or two. And she also has a drawstring. So let's go ahead and put up this baby on. Okay. Definitely a curly sensation. I like it so far. Hold on. Make sure I have it on correctly. All right, so the wig cap is about a medium, so it's not too tight, which is great, and it's not too loose, so you don't have to worry about a comb. Obviously, to secure the wig, ladies, make sure you pin it down or sew it down in the back or somewhere up here in the front. Now on the side, the curls kind of tilt this way, so it seems like it's supposed to be more on the side. Definitely kind of curl in their own pattern. Like most of them are going this way on this side and another one's going this way on this side. And the front curls are kind of twirling towards the front. So I'm gonna just put my fingers through it and not a comb, just so that I can maintain the curl pattern.
Let's go. Are you ready? You've been staring since I came in. I know you.
All right, so here's how she looks. I'll give you a full 360.
Dance by ourselves, can't you tell? Baby,
I like it. It has a very elegant look to it, and the curls are so luscious. If you didn't want to lean the hair to the side, you could just wear it like a full bang with curls all around. But I kind of like it where you pull it to one side and make that side a little bit more luscious. But yeah, so I definitely wanted to go ahead and review this wig because I seen it circulating and I personally love this style. It's giving very elegant, very Marilyn Monroe, but black melanin poppin' vibes. Very old school yet cute. I would have never thought it would have looked like this on me, but it does. And I like it. So here's another way that you can style it by pulling this side down and curving it under like that. Making sure your baby hairs is good though. So how do you all love this wig? I know if you're like me and you go on Amazon and you search a kind of wig that you're looking for, the next place you go to is the review section. If you're not getting what you're looking for, then the next place is to go to YouTube. So if you are searching for this wig and looking for somebody who's ordered it and reviewed it, here you go. This wig is for you all. I personally love it. They had different colors as well to offer. So if you're wanting some kind of pop of color to it. But what do you all think about this wig? Gorgeous, luscious, cute and simple, and of course at an affordable price. And before you all go, you already know what to do. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button if you are not subscribed to my channel. And if you are, what's good, what's poppin'? Turn on your notifications so you know when your girl uploads her next video. And I don't want you to miss out on these gems. God bless you all, and I hope you enjoyed the quick review on this wig. Until next time, stay fly and fashionable. God bless you. Later.